I would like to thank the Minister for a completely detailed reply, and I appreciate that the challenges that Aadhaar has, so kind of him, especially for the concession of the senior citizens. I would like to take this opportunity to ask him that what more efforts is the Honourable Minister making for making cashless effectively, especially in rural parts of India. Urban, it is very well implemented, especially in the metros.
Madam, cashless could be ultimate destination, but less cash is immediate priority. And to do that, there are quite a few measures have been taken. I would like to say that in fact now 63% of the ticket booked are on internet, with 68% of the revenue for the railways. It has improved considerably and improving constantly because of the effort that we are doing. We are putting 10,000 POS through SBI into remote areas. These are not the cities I am talking about. We are using we are integrating 7 payment gateways for accepting debit and credit cards. 13 direct debit card integration is already taking place. 30 net banking integrations with banks and 44 net banking through prepaid instruments are already with 3 cash cards and 5 e-wallet cards. We are also working on making sure that many more people will come on field, so therefore automatic vending machines are put. Go India Smart Card is all measures which have been taken, including using post offices. Now we have appealed to many banks, and even through the banks we can make the book. The banks are there in far-flung areas. So this is what we are trying to do to increase the reach of ticket booking. So we are trying to go to the passenger rather than passenger coming to us and trying to book the ticket.
Ma'am, just earlier also he talked about touts. Are we all committed that touting that happens in railway tickets, especially the poor people getting fleeced, will be totally eradicated by the initiative taken by the Honourable Minister?
Remember, this has to be an ongoing process. One of the best way to tackle it is by technology. And as we have seen, that as we progress on using technology more and more, ensuring that properly established, and therefore what is touting, madam? He actually either impersonates or he using somebody else's identity, book the tickets and then sells it at a premium. So the only way we can address this challenge is by ensuring that we sell tickets only to a genuine passenger who wants to travel, and that is why we are using technology to make that happen. As I said, and you said the first question that you asked, primarily now for the senior citizen, which will ensure that actually we have a proper database of senior citizens. Today it is not pre-examined. We do not know who is a senior citizen. I may look like a senior citizen, which I am sure you do agree, but I may not be senior citizen, and therefore we must make sure establish identity.
थोड़ा सा 3 to 4 minutes kindly, क्योंकि जेटली जी बिजी थे, सुन नहीं रहे थे सर, तो थोड़ा सुन. I'm sorry.